Coughs play a role in clearing irritants and infection from the body, but persistent coughing can be annoying. The best treatment for a cough will depend on its underlying causes. There are many possible causes for cough, including allergies, infection, and acid reflux. People use a range of natural remedies to try to treat a persistent cough. Here we'll look at some of these remedies in more detail. According to some research, honey may relieve coughs. A study on treatments for nighttime coughing in children compared dark honey with the cough suppressing medication, dextromethorphan, and with no treatment. Parents rated honey most favorably of all three inventions. To use honey to treat a cough, mix 2 tablespoons with warm water or an herbal tea. Although the benefits of honey over dextromethorphan were small, drink this mixture once or twice a day. Do not give honey to a child under 1 year of age. Ginger may ease a dry asthmatic cough as it is anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. Brew up a smoothing ginger tea by adding 20 to 40 grams of fresh ginger slices to a cup of hot water. Allow to steep for a few minutes before drinking. Add honey or lemon juice to improve the taste and further smooth a cough. Be aware that in some cases ginger tea can cause stomach upset.